Is it hard for you to decide which of the many available air fryers to buy? Here are the top 5 air fryers on the market right now that I am going to show you in this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I've included links in the description box below to further information on the products, which are continuously updated for the best pricing. Now let's begin. COSORI Pro 2 Smart Air Fryer. The next generation of COSORI is a smart air fryer. The Pro 2 air fryer's refined structural design, improved heating components, and multi-stage cooking capability result in quicker cooking times and crispier food. Fry meals to perfection with the help of this fryer's adjustable temperature and timer settings, just like a Pro. Fry your food 20% faster than the Smart Pro and get more evenly cooked, crispier results with this fryer's enhanced heating technology. With the free VSync app, you can use voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant to cook without using your hands. You can also keep an eye on the cooking process, get updates on how it's going, and more. The online recipes that come with your new fryer are often updated to help you make a great dinner. In addition to the more than 400 guided video recipes, you can also cook, giving you a never-ending supply of ideas for food. The non-stick baskets with these fryers are BPA and PFOA free and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. You can cook your favorite deep-fried items with 85% less oil by using an air fryer instead. You may achieve your health objectives while enjoying your usual fare. There are 12 different cooking functions available on this fryer. Choose from 10 user-defined cooking presets in addition to preheat and keep warm for consistently delicious results. The ETL has approved the 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range of this air fryer. It operates at 120 volts and is rated for 1,700 watts. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. This multi-use appliance has 6 uses: air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating. Even Crisp technology directs airflow from above to make sure the outside is always golden brown and crisp and the inside is always juicy. Smart one-touch programs that you can change let you bake chicken wings, vegetables, potatoes, cookies, cinnamon rolls, and more with the touch of a button. It is easier to use because it can go frozen to golden in minutes with little or no preheating. You can set the temperature anywhere between 120 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it easy to cook tasty food. Because the basket and tray of the air fryer don't stick, they are easy to clean. This small bowl is pretty and useful, and it doesn't take up too much space on your counter. By downloading the company's free Instant Pot app for iOS and Android, you can learn great ways to cook quickly and make great meals. Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. Compared to other air fryers, this one uses as much as 75% less fat, which is pretty impressive. We compared it to the gold standard, French fries cut by hand and cooked in a deep fryer. This fryer uses Max Crisper technology, which creates superheated air at 450 degrees and speeds up cooking time by up to 30% compared to the Ninja AF100. This makes the food hotter and crispier with less or no oil. The 5.5-quart nonstick basket and a crisper plate of this fryer can hold up to 3 pounds of chicken wings or French fries. This excellent fryer has 7 different cooking methods including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The ceramic basket of this air fryer is easy to clean because it doesn't stick and can be put in the dishwasher. When you buy this fryer, you get a Max XL air fryer, a 5.5-quart nonstick basket, and a cookbook written by a famous chef. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Fried foods are now more healthy thanks to this incredible fryer. Using Air Crisp technology in place of oil, the Dash Compact Air Fryer allows you to cut down on additional fat by 70 to 80% without compromising the taste of your fried food. There will be no lingering odors from previous meals. The use of this fryer is quick and simple. All you have to do is fill the fryer basket, which holds 2 quarts, set the temperature, and program the timer. Every time you cook, the food will come out perfectly crisp and in less time than preheating your oven, saving you both time and energy. The auto shut-off feature keeps the food from getting too hot, and the housing and handle stay cool to the touch. This gadget would greatly benefit any household with finicky eaters, several people with multiple food choices, or a hectic lifestyle. Everything from a dozen chicken wings to a pound of French fries to a dozen baked goods may be made in the blink of an eye. The Dash air fryer is perfect for your first apartment, a smaller kitchen, student life, or camper/RV travel since it is compact and lightweight and has half the weight of a regular fryer. In addition, you may choose from many on-trend color schemes that will look great in your kitchen. Cuisinart TOA65 Digital Air Fryer. This fryer's applications are virtually limitless. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer has a temperature range of warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a plethora of premium features such as air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, low, dual cook, reheat, and warm. This excellent air fryer can cook up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagels, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza in its spacious interior, which is 6 cubic feet and illuminated by outside light. Because it has a low temperature setting, you can slow cook, braise, and do a lot more without constantly monitoring the cooking process, so you can enjoy its special operation. In addition, there are dehydration and proofreading modes specifically designed for such purposes. Low noise, high-velocity airflow from the fan and heater ensures flawlessly fried food. As we discuss its characteristics, this set includes an oven light, oven rack, dishwasher-safe baking pan, air fry basket, and a non-stick easy-clean interior, doing cooking and cleaning a breeze. This fryer comes with a 3-year warranty, but it is for a very limited time. Fixing issues and understanding the warranty are covered in the handbook that comes with this fryer after buying it. If you like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. Links to all the product mentioned are in description below. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to keep up to date. Till next time, see you guys later.